Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So this video is going to be a little bit different today. In this video I am going to demonstrate a very easy and very simple technique that can help you to boost your English speaking and make you help to speak English fluently. And this video is all about how to just giving 10 minutes each day can make you fluent in this language. So this video is completely about spending just only 10 minutes each and every day dedicatedly can make you fluent in this language and can give you immensely noticeable changes. So this is the very simple technique, but if you do it consistently and you do it with dedication, then it is going to help you and give you immense results. So this technique is very simple. First of all, the technique is just a minute. Its technique is called jam, just a minute. Speaking just for 1 minute. You don't have to speak for so much long. You have to just speak for a minute. While you're speaking for 1 minute at least, this is going to really help you. So in this technique, what you have to do is that, first of all, just have a simple topic, a simple random question. You can take a question like, how's your feeling today? What are the goals you have to achieve in the life? Or maybe you can ask what you did yesterday and how did you spend your weekend? How do you like to spend your times on weekends? And you can ask the question to yourself that when your family got together, when did you spend a quality time with your friends? So randomly pick a one question, not a topic, just only a question. That is enough. While just picking any random question, what you have to do is that, first of all, having that question and just have a 1 minute. You can set a timer and stopwatch and start describing it. When you say about yourself that how you are feeling today, so start immediately without any judgment. Whatever the thought is coming to your mind, you have to speak, because ultimate goal is to speaking. It's not something to impressing someone. You have to just demonstrate speaking skills. It can help you to boost your English. It can help you to boost your confidence as well. So just having a question and start randomly talking about it. Don't just wait for perfection. Don't just wait for when I will have a lot of the knowledge and I will speak, then I will be very better at it, then only I will speak. No, that is the biggest mistake that we usually do. So in this time, at least try to avoid it. Don't make this repeat again and again, this mistake, because once you do, that's okay. Second you do, twice, thrice, it's okay. But if you are deliberately doing the same mistake, you're repeating it, so it's become a blunder. Then it becomes your fault. When you make a mistake repeatedly, knowingly and deliberately, then it becomes your fault. But you try to correct them, then it can help you to boost yourself, help you to upgrade your level. So just have a question, start speaking about it. Don't wait for the perfection, don't wait for the right time. Start describing about it. First of all, you say for a 1 minute about that question or any topic. You can talk about hobbies. You say in the hobbies, I like playing sports, I like to reading books. So you start talking about that one hobby, that what kind of books you like to read, how many books you have read so far, which is your genre of reading. So start describing about it for 1 minute. The second step that you need to follow, in the second step, just have pen and paper. So about that question, how you are feeling today, start writing down some points. Randomly start writing down whatever you spoke. Out of it, what are the points that you found? You felt happy. You are talking about that I'm feeling happy, excited, I'm feeling thrilled to talking to my friends. I love spending time with nature. So start collecting the thoughts on pen and paper. It will immensely help you to express yourself, because while you are writing down your thoughts on pen and paper, so that give you time to collect and recollect your thoughts, then you able to recollect them, recall them. You are not under the pressure immediately speaking. You have a time to mindfully think about certain things and you write it down. So you do this second step, collecting your thoughts, writing it down on the paper, and then start speaking about it twice again, while focusing on those points that you have write down just right now for about the topic. Start talking about it, using them consciously try to use those words, don't avoid them. So you start speaking, then you will see something different changes in yourself. The second time you are trying to speak, you were speaking immediately. You were just speaking randomly. You didn't got a time to think and rethink about your thoughts, what you are speaking, what you're supposed to say. You were just randomly speaking. You could not recall and recollect your thoughts. But in this time, you have points, you have your thoughts just in front of you. You have write it down on your notebook or on a paper, and now using them consciously try to speak. You will see changes. The third step again is speak for the 1 minute, and then you see the changes. For the third time, what you have to do is that third time again you need to find out in those topics other than this, what can I describe about myself, what I can describe about this topic. You choose a topic of reading book, you first talk about it. I like the reading books, I like such kind of reading book, whatever is your genre. Second time you wrote down about certain points like productivity and mindset related. You love reading book like that, non-fictional or fictional, anything. So you wrote down some points. According to that, you started speaking. So the third time, what you do little bit research. You go to Google and you can go to ChatGPT and find out what is you say, and you give a prompt that this is I am a learner, I am trying to read books, and this kind of the books I read, and give me some little bit extra point about it, add some new points so that I can practice my speaking skills. You get a research, you get some new point, and the third time again for a 1 minute at least, start recollecting your thoughts, recollecting the point you got from research, and consciously trying to speak about them. And you don't have to just speak for 1 minute only. You will find you getting lot of the thoughts related to it. You start speaking much and much better. So this is the way that is going to help you. If you just spend 10 minutes every day, you dedicate your 10 minutes, start speaking like this. Within a month, you will see changes, incredible changes and noticeable changes in yourself. You will feel confident. You will feel like, yes, I can speak on a topic. Initially we feel we can't speak on a topic because we expected to speak like perfect. We are having any topic like any group discussion topic, we get a kind of, so we feel like if we are getting some topic, we talk about social media, its advantage, its disadvantage, sports, anything. So we supposed to speak perfectly each and every point, but we are here not a pro at it. We are learner. We are trying to be every day incorporating new habits. We are trying to incorporating everyday new learnings. So expecting yourself in just one go speaking very perfectly, that's not a right thing. You should not be expect that much from you from initial time. You should give some time to yourself. So you don't have to be speak perfectly. You don't have to be wait for perfection, and you don't have to expect for perfection. You gradually you will improve. So this is all about this video. If you like this video, so please give a thumbs up, and please take care of yourself. And also I would say that this technique gonna help you, and it is going to help you really in some way. So please let me know in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much again.